How to set up Zelle in Chase app. If you want to set up Zelle in the Chase app, just make sure to launch the Chase application first and make sure to log in with your username and password to your mobile banking account and tap on the sign in button. Tap on Pay and Transfer on the bottom menu bar, then select Send Money with Zelle from the top of the screen. After you've done that, what you have to do is tap on the Get Started button. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions first, then choose your Chase account and enter a US mobile number or email address. Then tap on Next and then enter the verification code that was sent to your phone. Then tap on Done or Send a request money to finish the enrollment. This way you can set up Zelle in the Chase app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.